So you see the circle that I have here, that is where the shape is. So this is the shape. So when you put it on it, you see we have you see they've written rectangle. But I mean, before that, let me show you what they all mean. So when you put it on it, so when you put it on it, you have the move tool, then you have the lasso tool, we have the crop tool, then we have eyedrop part 2. We get it. So all the tools, their names are here. Once you put it there, you are going to, I'm going to take you through how to use all of them. So you just journey with me. It is very interesting. So let's first of all start with the move, how to use the move tool. So the move tool, let's say I have a shape, I draw a shape here, circle. So if I want to draw the shape, if I want to draw the circle, what I'll do is that I will hold the left button, then I just move the cursor, move the mouse like that. So if you're using a laptop, just move it like that and the shape will draw. Okay, but if you want it to be specific, you add shift to it. So if I want it to be a perfect circle, so undo, let's just undo. If I want it to be a perfect circle, I'll add shift plus the right button here, sorry, the right button, then I just move it. You see, it's a perfect circle. You get it. So this is how you draw the circle. So now let's move back to the move tool. So if let's I want to move this object from where it is, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click and I move the mouse. You see it's moving. So this is the essence of the move tool. That's what we use it for. And also if I want to move, let's diminish it or make it smaller or bigger with the help of the move tool, with the lines that you see around, so you can just, you see, bring it down, open it up. See, if you also want it to move, maybe you want it to turn into an oval shape, you add a shift to it, then it just, with the same way you get it. So you move it like that. That's when you want to stretch it or make other parts move in. That's where you use the shifts. Okay, then without the shift it will just go like that. You see, without shift it just go like that. It becomes perfect, but with the shift it moves straight inside. So that's the essence of the move tool. So that's what we use the move tool for. Okay, so yes, basically that's how the move tool, that's what we use it for.